Vacuum Tee Assortment. Country of origin: China. Package weight: 0. 100 pounds. Package dimensions: 7. 62 lx3. 555 hx6. 858 w. centimeters. Since 1918, we have been the automotive aftermarket's pioneering problem solvers. We have released thousands of parts and components that people could once only buy from original equipment manufacturers. By always innovating, we have led the way in growing the aftermarket, providing more opportunity to individuals and businesses who depend on automotive maintenance. That's why our catalog includes more than 80,000 products and grows every year. Top reviews from the United States. Good product. Working fine. 1/8 is the size needed to tee the washer line at the wiper blade itself. Of course I paid over $6. A week later, price dropped to under $3.